Good evening.
Hi, Your Honor.
You're mighty happy for somebody who's going to pay a big fine.
I think I have a good case.
Okay, let's take a look at it.
Okay.
You are charged with going through a red light on North Main Street and Branch Avenue.
Right by the Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Were you coming out of the Kentucky Fried Chicken? Were you
No, no.
Were you looking at your fingers? You couldn't see the light? No?
No.
Okay,
I'm
let's-
sure I was doing something
Wave it to
very
the colonel.
productive.
Leave it to the colonel.
All right, let's take a look at this. Wait a minute now. Stop it right there. Let me see the car. Inspector Quinn, did you notice she's color coordinated? Her sweater and the car are the same color. Is that by design?
I only have one sweater.
But I have 2 cars.
Exactly.
All right, let's take a look at this. What's the time on it, Lisa?
It was 26 something, Judge.
Look how safe that is. I'm just saying. It wasn't. No. I'll pay the ticket.
We have a lawyer in the courtroom. I would have him represent you, but he's a lawyer at no fee, except that I can't do it for one reason. Why do you think I can't let him come up?
He's related to you.
He's my son.
Oh, jeez.
And then I could, I could not.
We could have him judge it.
Yeah, well, I know. Then I could not find you not guilty because I'd have a conflict of interest.
Oh, okay.
All right. So, Ms. Chase, what do you prefer to be called, Deborah or Ms. Chase?
Deborah.
All right, Deborah, the threshold question is whether or not you stopped, or phrasing it another way, is whether or not you made a stop sufficient to satisfy the requirements of the legislation. So, quite frankly, I'm going to look at it again because I think you stopped enough. I really do.
Thank you. It looked sufficient to me.
Let's take a look at it. Inspector Quinn, take a look at this.
Rolling. There was no stop, Judge.
I was doing so
If I
well.
was stepping off that curb, trying
No,
to cross
oh, I
that
agree.
street, what would that?
I think that's what I was
What would that
looking
vehicle
for.
do to me?
Hit you. But that's what I was
Thank
looking
you.
for.
Deborah.
I rest my case. Counsel, you can take over.
Oh, did I say I would hit somebody?
Deborah, you're supposed to say to him, if you were stepping off the curb, I would see you.
I'd have a sweater on similar to that color, though, Judge, so that might blend with the vehicle.
Deborah, in my judgment, you stopped sufficiently to satisfy the requirements of the ordinance.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, so the matter's going to be dismissed. Good luck to you.
Come on, how cool is that? If you'd like to see more cases like this one, tune into Court in Providence every weekday. Excuse me? You didn't know Court in Providence is also a TV show? Oh, wow, your life just got substantially better. To find out what channel we're on, go to courtinprovidence.com, click on your local listings, scroll down till you find your hometown, then start doing your happy dance. That's it. Move it. Nice.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.